Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Goat Simulator multiplayer on Xbox. First, ensure your Xbox console is powered on and you have the game launched. You will need at least 2 controllers connected to your console. This setup allows for local split-screen mayhem with a friend right beside you. It's a fantastic way to share the chaotic fun of being a goat. Get ready to cause some hilarious trouble together in the game world. To begin your local co-op adventure, simply connect a second Xbox controller to your console. Once connected, have your friend press any button on that second controller. The game should automatically recognize the new input and split the screen into 2 distinct views. This allows both players to control their own goat simultaneously. It's a seamless process designed for instant, shared gaming enjoyment. Once both players are in the game, you can explore the open world of Goat Simulator together. The split-screen view ensures each player has their own perspective of the chaos. You can work together to complete objectives or simply cause as much destruction as possible. The game's unique physics engine makes every interaction unpredictable and often laugh-out-loud funny. Prepare for endless entertainment with a friend. For the best multiplayer experience, make sure both your Xbox controllers are fully charged or connected via a USB cable. Playing on a larger television screen can also enhance visibility, especially with the split-screen view. Don't forget to experiment with the various goat mutations available in the game. They add another layer of fun and unpredictability. Enjoy countless hours of chaotic, 2-player goat antics on your Xbox.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.